Okay, for today's math lesson, we will be reviewing multiplication strategies that we can use to figure out a multiplication answer. And so our lesson objective, as it was yesterday, is I can demonstrate fluency with multiplication facts. So yesterday we looked at 4 different strategies. We looked at equal groups, repeated addition, making an array, and a number line. And so 3 times 4 was actually the problem that we used yesterday to demonstrate it. Today I'm going to show you a different one, and I'm going to actually fill out the graphic organizer, and then you will be filling out your own. These slides will be available for you if you'd like to look at them. So the first one is how to multiply with equal groups. And so it goes through all the steps of how to use equal groups to solve your multiplication problem. So first you read the problem, then you underline the first number, and that is going to be the groups. So in this case, the first number is 3, so you're going to make 3 groups. Then you circle the second number, and that's how many is going to go inside each group. So 4 dots in each group. And then the last thing you do is count. Over here, it's how to multiply with repeated addition. Kind of the same thing. You first read the problem, then you underline the first number, which is 3, and then you write that number down. Circle the second number, and that's how many times you're going to write that number down. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we added it 4 times. And then you just count them up, 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiplying with arrays, and arrays are very much like finding the area of a rectangle. And when we did rectangles, that was why we had the squares in there, why we had the grid view, because that is exactly like an array, except it's using squares instead of like dots or something. So again, the first thing you do is read the problem, you underline the first number, and that's how many rows you're going to draw. So there's going to be 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. Then you circle the second number, and that's how many are going to go in each row. So 4 are going to go in each row. So 4 here, and 4 here. And then you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's your answer. The last one is how to multiply with the number line. Again, read the problem, 3 times 4, underline the first number, and that's where you're going to start at 0. You're going to make that first jump to that first number, 3. Then you circle the second number, and that's how many times you're going to jump. So 3, and then 6, and then 9, and then 12. That's 4 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is my multiplication graphic organizer, my multiplication strategies, and I am going to put a number sentence down, and I'm just going to do 3 times 5. And so thinking back, I always underline the first number and circle the second number. So let's start out with equal groups. I'm going to make 3 circles. Those are my equal groups. And I am going to make 5 dots in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I would count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now repeated addition. Again, I underline the first number. That's the number I'm going to put down first, 3 plus, and then I'm going to add it 5 times. So there's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. And that equals 15. Okay, now I'm going to make an array. And so I'm going to use a bigger marker to make, so I'm going to underline 3. That's how many rows I'm going to make. There's row 1, row 2, and row 3. And I'm going to make 5 dots in each row. So I'm going to make them green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I count them, there's 15 there. Now the last one on my number line. So for this last one, the number line, I put in a different number line to make it easier. And so again, I'm going to underline 3. That is the amount that is going to be in each jump. And I am going to, and then I'm going to be making 5 equal jumps. So I'm going to use my black one. So I'm going to go 2, 3, there's 1 jump. 6, that's 2 jumps. 9 is 3 jumps. 12 is 4 jumps. And 15 is 5 jumps. And so again, my answer is 15. This is what you will be doing for the chew part.